Hi everyone, we are Group R. We have Hao Zhang, Chunsi, Qingchen, and Ximeng in our group. And here is our presentation for this unit. The first part is introduction. I'm going to introduce our company and our customer, Electron-X, and the problem they faced, as well as the process of interviews. Firstly, about us. Our company is a management consulting company and technical service provider focusing on IT field. As an experienced management consulting and information technology company, we are experts in helping companies improve their performance. With rich industry experience, extensive global resources, and successful practices in a large number of markets, we are good at helping customers clarify strategies, optimize business processes, integrate systems, introduce innovation, and improve overall competitive advantages. In other words, we are able to design strategies for customers and have strong implementation capabilities to help customers realize their strategies. And next, for our customer, Electron-X. It is a traditional home appliance manufacturer with decades of history, mainly producing traditional home appliances. The company currently has a complete industrial chain of large household appliances and product group of small household appliances. With the advantages of high quality, the company's products have been sold to hundreds of countries and regions in past 2 decades. Dozens of branches have been established around the world during this period of time. And our team is mainly responsible for the related business of the Internet of Things technology and provides the professional consulting services and solutions for enterprises that need to carry out digital transformation based on IoT technology. We submitted a tender response to Electron-X, provide a strategic consulting and outsourcing service for the company's digital transformation. Electron-X mentioned that the main problems they are currently facing are the continuous decline in sales performance in recent years and the loss of a large number of outstanding employees. This has caused the company to be in a very passive state, which means that if the situation continues, the company will have to face a risk of bankruptcy. Electron-X stated that their goal is to reverse the status quo of the company and improve the performance. Based on this, our team arranged 2 interviews with the company's senior staff, thoroughly digging into the company's real needs and formulating corresponding strategies. Specifically, the first interview, we learned about Electron-X's business process, obtained the relevant sales data, and conducted the preliminary employee surveys. Through a market surveys and the analysis of whereabouts of employees, we found that in the past few years, when the company's performance has declined due to the improvement of IoT technology, some emerging companies represented by the production of smart home appliances are in stage of rapid development. And the advantages of their products in terms of technology impact dramatically on the Electron-X market share, and in the same time constantly attracting outstanding employees from this kind of traditional home appliances companies represented by the Electron-X. Based on that, in the second interview, we put forward a strategy for Electron-X to develop the smart home appliance market and gradually complete the company's digital transformation. After receiving approval of the leadership, we further communicated the specific needs of the digital transformation and finally determined the specific approach to achieve the goal of the Electron-X. And more details, please refer to the next few parts.
According to the survey and research on the historical market sales of electronics, it is found that in recent years, electronics has faced a decline in market sales, especially in the largest Chinese market, where sales have dropped sharply, and the internal research has found that electronics has loss of senior technical staff and the decline of senior support. We believe that electronics urgently need to face the need to change the direction and transform the current traditional electrical applications marketing into a marketing with the theme of smart home. According to our market research report, people aged 25 to 44 have the greatest purchasing power in the market, and they are also the consumer most interested in smart home. The smart home has the advantages of remote control, energy saving, safety, comfort, and the improvement of life efficiency, and has become an indispensable item in modern life. The global smart home market is forecast to grow to $53.45 billion in size by year of 2022. The total installed base of Internet of Things connected devices is projected to amount to 75 billion worldwide by 2025, a five-fold increase in 10 years. The solution we give is that electronics connected smart home devices to the Internet and makes the connection between the company's products share data with each other, thereby bring benefits such as better quality of life and deeper business insights, so as to promote the company's technical development, increase sales, attract high-level technical talent, and increase high-level support. We did a SWOT analysis of company as follows. You can see there. The electronics has strengths such as sufficient cost, many resources, high user loyalty. And for the electronics, it has opportunities in the market, such as the smart home market is not saturated. There is a room for development, and smart home companies on the market don't have the wide range of products. And for the project scope, we will design electronics, including smart products for entrance hall and smart products for kitchen, such as the living room lights are turned on, the curtains are automatically closed, the fresh air system is also activated for ventilation. The smart refrigerator with mirror screen that recommends healthy recipes automatically disinfects the tableware and automatically turns off the fire after cooking to prevent dry burning. Does not include smart products for balcony space, smart products of bathroom, such as smart water heaters with voice control, smart mirror cabinets with voice promote.
In this project, our deliverables mainly include the following: a set of smart home system. If electronics want to carry out digital transformation, it must be associated with IoT. So the smart home system is essential. Smart home system is a mobile app. Its function is to interconnect multiple home appliances and control the home appliances by operating the app. Intelligent voice assistant. Intelligent voice assistant is AI hardware terminal equipment. It mainly relies on machine learning and other technologies to understand the user's voice commands and control smart appliances, update home appliances service, In the process of digital transformation, Electron X must not only meet the needs of new users, but also meet the needs of older users for smart home appliances. In this service, users can request the companies to bring the original Electron smart appliances back to the factory for upgrades. The companies will upgrade the non-smart home appliances to smart appliances.
Thank you, Zhang, for introducing the deliverables of our project. Now I will introduce the implementation details of the project. Here we will show you a two-layer WBS diagram. The implementation of the project is divided into 5 major parts, including requirement, software design, product upgrade, smart home platform development, and integration testing. Now, before I introduce each part in detail, I would like to show you the RCI matrix of the project. The RCI matrix is an effective tool for assigning and clarifying the rights and the responsibilities for project team members. Okay, now I will use the RCI matrix to explain each WBS unit in the project in detail. So let's start with recruitment. Different from the Euro project, we choose to treat talent recruitment as an important task. The reason why we made this decision is because that we want the company can establish its own software development team through this project. We understand that Electron-X is a traditional home appliance company. Although it has been developing reliable and excellent home appliance, it has never established its own software development team. At present, we have clarified the necessary of digital transformation and regard digitalization as part of the company's business strategy. Therefore, it is very necessary to establish and build our own software development team. Therefore, we will recruit a complete software development team in the first phase of the project, including software engineers, software designer, AI engineers, and test engineers. After completing the first stage, we will start software design and hardware upgrade simultaneously. In the software design phase, our work includes user demand analysis led by the business analysis team, software design led by the software design team. After that is the demand verification led by the business analysis team. The project manager will also help them to assist them to do this. The last one is design improvement led by the software design team under the project sponsors audit. You can find that we are not using the agile mode, which is currently widely used in the software industry. We choose a relatively traditional model. The main reason for that is the deliverables of our project is not only software, but also corresponding hardware. The agile mode could provide high quality service through frequent and multiple deliveries. But in the first few iterations, they will not have a stable and satisfying product. So here we choose a relatively traditional design and development model. Next, I want to introduce product upgrade. In general, this part is to digitally upgrade the current traditional home appliance in the company, which includes providing network link capabilities for home appliance, installing screens, and integrating with software smart home platform, which I will introduce in next few minutes. Well, the last two parts of the project is smart home platform development and integrating tests. Smart home platform development can be seen as the most important part of the project. At this stage, our developer will develop 4 main functions and systems. First, the AI team will develop an artificial intelligence voice assistant. Later, a cross-platform communication protocol will be developed by the software development team. This communication protocol will be the basis of the entire smart home platform. We will use this protocol to complete data communication between different home appliances and user terminals. After that is the smart home platform. This platform will provide users with a variety of customization and rich intelligent smart home experience. Finally, there is a remote assistance system developed by the software development team and the AI team. This system could remotely solve some of the after-sales problems. Finally, we will carry out the last stage of the project, which is the integrating test, where we will check whether the software and hardware could deliver the design deliverables and reach the predetermined KPI. Next, I want to show the Gantt chart of the project and the timing of the project. Well, for talent recruitment, it will take 28 days. For software design phase, is expected to be completed in 23 days. Hardware upgrade will take 295 days. Smart home platform development is expected to take 217 days. The final integration test will take 86 days. Okay, this is the details of the implementation of this project. Now welcome Zhang to introduce the cost and risk of this project.
This is the cost estimate of this project. We can see from the figure that the human resource part accounts for the largest proportion because this project requires not only software but also hardware. Therefore, the human resource part needs to invest a lot of money. This is the risk register that we summarized. According to this project, we summarized the 3 different risks. The first is similar product. There may already be similar products in the market. The second is cyber disaster. The data center of the project may be invaded, causing the project to fail. The third is raising procurement costs. Cost may rise, leading to over budget. We not only list the risks, but also propose solution to those risks. The first risk can be solved by continuing update the version. The second risk can be solved by approaching insurance. The third risk can be solved by using a reserve fund.
In this part, I'm going to illustrate the benefits and the value of the project, as well as the strength of our team. Through this project, Electron-X will successfully achieve digital transformation. This means that under the same technological conditions, Electron-X products have traditional advantages such as high quality and a complete supply chain. In addition, the market for smart home appliances is still expanding, and there is a lot of room for development, especially in the young people's market. Finally, this project, at the beginning of the company's digital transformation, will provide experience for the company's future digital development. And the Electron-X will be in an advantageous position in the IT competition that may exist in the future. And our team is very confident in doing this project well. Firstly, our company has many relative qualifications such as Cisco certification. In addition, there are a lot of resources such as capital and technology to provide support for the project. Second, our team focuses on the business related to the IoT technology in our company. So most of our members have a learning background of the IoT technology and are very familiar with the technology involved in the project. Third, our service tenet is customer-centric, putting a customer satisfaction in the first place and providing customized services. And fourth, our team has rich experience in such projects and has successfully completed many similar projects, such as building a smart hotel system for a well-known hotel, which has successfully improved the company's performance and has been highly recognized. And that's all for our presentation. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please ask anyone of us.